everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. And today, so first I have to start off, I had to switch dresses. So remember how I showed you my outfits? Well, I had lost a good 30 pounds. Well, I found 15 of them already, so I couldn't fit my dress. Gosh darn it. So I had to change and get a new outfit for today. So wasn't that exciting? So I just had to share that with you guys because I was a little discouraged. All right, so we have Ashlee in Flame Rooted, which is SF3324. And so I know Ashlee, I have heard is, and this is from Paula Young, I know Ashlee has been folks' first wig for quite a number of people in the Paula Young group. We hear that about. So I'm going to show you again the Flame Rooted. Okay, she's got some bangs, I think. All right, and now I'm going to show you the cap. So we have, okay, we got basic cap in the front. It's closed up. We have basic wefting. We have an extended nape, no felt or anything. And the ear openings are just your basic ear openings with some metal clasps in there. So that is our cap, and it's black. I have on the Milano wig grip cap. So it's the cap and the grip all in one. Got it very tight. There's no lace front, so I don't have my lace one on today. I don't want to, let's check her part. So I like to comb out the part a little bit first, in case it's got that crisscross. So let's see what we're gonna do. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I don't see it really too bad here. I'm gonna just make sure that she's combed out good. Burn to get a good tip to kind of comb it out before you put her on. She's got no curls, so otherwise I don't recommend combing if she's got curls. I just really would recommend kind of picking it. All right, so make sure that nape is good back there. So I will do that. All right, so we've got that good. I just want to make sure that some of her stuff is loose. I'm not going to shake her up too much today. I'm not looking for some crazy poofiness. All right, and we are going to put her on and see what she needs to make me happy and for her to be mine. Okay, I'm going to take her down, make sure she's nice and tight underneath the bottom. Oh, Ashlee's perky. Oh, I love the length. Isn't the length perfect? I really like this length on me. All right, so let's see. So, where does she want to part? Oh, I was going to say, do I have the book? Right, so we can look and see what she looks like in the book. Now, I don't always do my wigs to look like what's in the book because that's the whole point of making them yours. So, I think she's a little more like aside. So let's get this. All right, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of water in. Because the one thing I don't want is this hanging in my eyes. Let me see what I feel for permatease, because I do want, okay, so not a lot. So over here, there's really no permatease over here, but I do like a little bit of lift. Where there's permatease is right here, right? So just right up here to get some body over here, right? So we've got a little bit of permatease over here that we want to engage. I like to get underneath the hair and get into that permatease, kind of muff it up. Okay. Now I want my I don't want it to be too high on one side. I do like, let's see, a little piece going here. I'm gonna put a little bit, ooh, where is it? Oh, I think I left it in the living room. I wanted a little bit of the Tressalore wig wax. Do I have another can in here? I do not. All right, so I don't like how some of this is going here. And I don't have the blow dryer over here. So let's see if I can get her to go where I want. Yeah, I don't like this piece, like right here. Where is my piece out? So I've got the piece out cream. I'm gonna just put a little bit in my hands. Okay, and just use some of this in the front here. Piece some of this out. And then I want a little bit of hairspray. Okay, so I'm liking how that looks, right? Put some hairspray over here. I like her. I think she's really cute. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like where she's landing here. I think I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done. All right, so let me show you. Here's the right side. Here's the back. And here's the left. And then back to the front. Yeah, so I think she's cute. Don't want any behind my ears. Yeah, that's cute. Just gotta look at the mirror over here a little bit. Okay. All right, everyone. So I have Ashlee Inflamed Rooted from Paula Young for, today's actually Wednesday for me. So for my Wednesday wig, this is my wig of the day. Very cute. All right. Thanks, guys. I'll be back tonight to let you know how she wore and to give you a sneak peek at my outfit. All right. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Here's my outfit for the day. This sweater, I have this sweater on with this dress underneath, with my knee-high boots. This is my hair for the rest of the day. So, let's talk about Ashlee. So, the hair fibers of Ashlee feel very good. Now, I feel, it feels funny all right here on my head because there's a lot of permatease. And then I had to take her off and readjust the straps to see if that helped, because something's wrong, like all right back here, there's something wrong with the cap. I don't know. Something's wrong. It's like real bulky back there. And I felt all night like I had to keep, you know, like keep pulling her down and things like that. So I've got to take a look tomorrow and see if the cap is too big, too small, what's going on back there. I may have to stitch things up a little bit to tighten it, but, oh, I just put it behind my ears. Sorry about that. But yeah, so this is, you know, she looks fine. She feels fine. You know, hair-wise, the hair is smooth. Everybody thought it was cute. But, you know, it's just this part right here. There's something, it's just, you know, it just doesn't look right. I don't know if you could tell. You know, it gives it a nice little lift and stuff, but, you know, this side's real flat. This side's got bulkiness here. So I wasn't that crazy how she felt on my head. Most of the wigs, you know, I can't really feel them. I mean, I know they're there. It feels warm. But this one, you know, it's just really, you know, very loose back here, not fitting right at all. So that's me and my size. It's not anything to do with the wig. But I just wanted to pass that info on in case anybody has the same measurements as me. She didn't feel right in the back. So otherwise, I loved it. You know, real cute wig. But that's my update for tonight for Ashlee from Paula Young. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye.